And I want you to live the dream, because I'm not living the dream because I'm special. I'm living the dream because I was obedient to the call of the dream.
Hi viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel The Grand Biography. Today we discuss the biography of Oprah Winfrey. The quote is that turn your wounds into wisdom. So let's start. Who is Oprah Winfrey? Oprah Gayle Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954. She is 64-year-old in the towns of Kosciuszko, Monique. She moved to Nashville to live with her father Vernon, a barber and businessman. After having a troubled adolescence in the small farming community she used to live in, she is an actress, talk show host, philanthropist, and entrepreneur. After moving to Nashville, she attended Tennessee State University in 1971. During this time, she also started work in radio and television broadcasting. Oprah hosted the talk show People Are Talking in Baltimore, Maryland in 1976. She continued the show for 8 years, where she was then recruited to host her own show AM Chicago by a Chicago TV station. In 1986, Oprah initiated the Oprah Winfrey Show. The show had the audience of 10 million people, which caused it to make 125 million within the first year. Of this, Oprah received 30 million. Oprah eventually continued the program after getting ownership from ABC under her new production company, Harpo Production. In doing this, she was able to make more money. Oprah Book Club was introduced as a part of her show. She launched a magazine entitled The Oprah Magazine in 2000. Oprah then ended the Oprah Winfrey Show in 2011 after her contract with ABC ended. Then Winfrey later created Oprah Winfrey Network (OWN), a joint venture with Discovery Communications. Oprah faced some financial challenges upon starting her network. At the end of 2015, the Harpo Studios in Chicago were closed due to the company production operation to the Los Angeles based on headquarters. And the next is, what business Oprah is known for? Beside owning Harpo Initial, which originally employed about 250 full-time staff but then dropped to just 20 employees in 2015. She is also a co-founder of Oxygen Media. She also created a website, Oprah.com, which generates 75 million pages view from the 13 million users per month. This website comprises of Oprah Book Club, the largest book club in the world. What influenced Oprah into becoming an entrepreneur? Oprah's father played a major part in her life, since they continuously insisted that she could be more than she was in life, and he believed in her. Oprah, also with the influence of her father, realized that she had to be responsible for herself and do good in life. What were some challenges she faced? One of the major challenges she faced were overcoming the trauma she endured as a child after being sexually abused. This caused her to lose her job as a co-anchor of the evening news, as she was becoming emotional over stories that touched her while reporting. And then, upon establishing the Oprah Winfrey Network (OWN), Oprah faced some financial issues but was able to overcome it due to the success of the network. Even though she faced many challenges, she was able to be positive and move forward despite them. This is all about the Oprah Winfrey. The one quote is that the key to realizing a dream is to focus not on success but significances, and then even the small step and little victories along your path will take on greater meaning. This is all about the Oprah Winfrey. Thanks for watching. We meet in the next